out here at Toyota Fest, checking out all these old classic Toyotas and new Toyotas and pretty much everything Toyota. Today we got two booth cars. We got Georgeosaurus, and we got Robert with his FRS, his tier delivery. Right about this here. Hey, what's up? It's Rex from R1 Concepts. Today we're out here in Long Beach, California, checking out Toyota Fest. This show brings a wide variety of classic JDM cars to your everyday Toyotas. George's 2017 Toyota Tacoma, full long travel build for his truck specifically with all the extra weight and everything that he's carrying. We designed a 6-piston, 356 mil big brake kit for his truck. Just with all this extra weight, we wanted to give him a lot more extra stopping power. Robert's FRS. He's running our eLine drilled and slotted rotors with our OEP pads. This is a great entry-level kit for anyone who's looking to improve their braking performance.